Tell me when.
Did it? We're on Whidbey Island in Seattle. I mean, in Whidbey Island, Washington. Here's the house we have.
Hello, friends. It's a bumblebee. Oh my god. Here we go.
Where?
Bumblebee.
Okay, go. Wait, what is it? It's so big.
Yeah,
Open the door. It's locked. Alright, we're going this way.
it's chasing you.
Really?
Yes.
What the? Okay, we're going in the house. There's a bumblebee chasing me. Here we go. That's the ocean over there, kind of, like a little bay. We're on the porch. Hello. Oh. There's a room there, and a room there, and a room there, and a room down there. And this is upstairs. And there's a balcony. And there's another upstairs over here. And there's Allie. And here's the kitchen.
I just spelled it all
Hey, kitchen!
over place.
And then there's more.
Let's continue.
I already did it all.
Oh wait, did you already do all that?
Yes.
Sweet.